What's up guys, it's Jacob here. So today I want to show you how you can make money on Skillshare. Basically, Skillshare is an online course platform where anyone can sign up and make their own online courses. So basically how it works is the students join Skillshare Premium by paying a certain amount of money per month, and then they get access to all of the courses on the platform. The teachers then get paid only if their courses get watched, and they get paid a certain amount of money per minute their course get watched. So if I watch a certain course for 20 minutes, then that course creator will get paid for those 20 minutes I have watched their course. A lot of people think that you have to be an expert to make an online course and teach other people, but that's actually not true. You just need to be one step ahead of the people you're teaching. So for example, right now I'm teaching you guys how to make money on Skillshare. I might not be the best at making money on Skillshare. I'm sure there's many people that make much more money than I do, but I do make a little bit of money. So if you don't make any money on Skillshare, I can teach you guys how to get where I am. So you see, you don't really have to be an expert. And also you don't have to make courses on anything complicated like coding or trading stocks or anything. You can just make courses on doing a handstand or playing soccer or whatever you're good at. Skillshare basically has courses on pretty much anything, so teach whatever you're good at and maybe try to fill in those areas where they don't have a lot of content. If you do that, I think you will be doing really well on the platform. And I mean, the more courses you make, the more money I think you will make, because people are constantly searching on Skillshare for new courses on different things. So if you can make more courses on different topics, you'll be making more money. So the second way you can make money on Skillshare is by referring people to the platform. I have a YouTube channel where I teach people how to sing, and on my videos I have a little link in the description that I get from Skillshare. If people sign up through that link, I'll be getting $10 per sign up. So it's kind of a win-win because people don't really have to buy anything. They get 2 months for free and I'll be getting $10. So that's super cool. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to check out Skillshare, see what it is and look at some of their courses and stuff like that, I'll put my link in the description so you guys can check it out. And of course it's an affiliate link, so I'll be getting $10 for every sign up, so you'll be supporting me at no extra cost to you. So that's the second way to make money on Skillshare. And I know a lot of you guys might not have a YouTube channel like that where you can just share a link and make money, but think about it. People don't even have to buy anything, so even if you send it to a friend and they sign up, you'll be getting $10. So if you show this to 10 friends, you'll be making $100 really easily. So now that you know how I'm making money on Skillshare, I want to show you guys how much I am actually making on Skillshare every month, so you can get a feel of how difficult it is and how much you need to do to actually make money. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer. Alright guys, welcome inside of my computer. Let's take a look at how much I'm actually making on Skillshare. So what I'm going to do is go to Teach, and then go to Teacher Stats. And in here you can see all of my stats from what I'm making on Skillshare. So right here you can see that in the lifetime of me being on Skillshare, I made almost $4,000, and that's from 3,000 students. Down here you can see my August earnings. In August I have had 526 premium minutes watched, and this is the minutes that I actually get paid for. Some of these minutes are actually not something that I get paid for. I do have some free courses and I actually don't really make money on that. I only make money from the leads I get, because those leads are actually getting me sales on the back end. But yeah, that's more complicated. So as you guys can see, those 526 premium minutes is earning me around $10 to $20, and it's just an estimate because I think they pool the amount of money that the students pay and then pay it out to the creators depending on how much people are watching their content. So right here you can see that I have referred 23 people to the platform and I get $10 per person, so that's $230. And if I do want to refer another student, I can just click here and then I can send out an email to get people on, or I can go here and share this link. This is my unique link that tracks every sign up that I make, so yeah, it knows every time I make a sign up. If I go back then and scroll down right here, you can see how much my content is being watched. The light blue one is my free content, and the purple one is my premium content. So I actually only get paid for the premium content. And if we scroll down here, you can see how many students actually join my course. I get around 5 people per day, which is really cool. I don't really do anything to promote my Skillshare courses other than the referrals that I do, of course. I believe that some of those are actually watching my content as well, but other than that, I don't really do anything to promote it. So if I scroll down here, you can see the most exciting thing, which is how much I have actually earned per month on Skillshare. This is the total amount, and this is from royalties. So this is from all of the minutes that people have watched my content, my premium content that is. And this is the amount I have made from referrals. So as you guys can see, by far the most money that I've made comes from referrals. I didn't really make money on referrals until recently. Down here you can see I started out in March 2018, only made a few bucks here and there. Then I started uploading a little bit more, and it has gone up to around $30 to $40. Then around March 2020, I started promoting my affiliate link on my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see, I referred a lot of people, 127 people. And that has made me a lot of money. And it just kept coming in for a while. And then what I did here was actually to just post the link in the description of all of my videos. I don't really promote it other than that. And it still continues to make me money every single day. So that's really, really cool. So yeah, that's how much money I'm making on Skillshare. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.